What's good YouTube? In today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can get first person in Fortnite Creative. As you guys can see right here, I literally started my game just now. I literally have first person. So in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to get that very easily and super fast. This is the updated 2024 method. Alright, so what you have to do first is go in your island settings. Then once you're over here, you have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to devices, which is the fourth option under galleries. So home, prefabs, galleries, devices. Just click on devices. Now from here, you're gonna search for camera orbit. Should be this one right here. Now you're just gonna place it right here, wherever you want it to be. It doesn't really matter. Now you're just gonna copy my settings. So all my settings right here, just copy it slowly. Then once you slowly just copy every single of my settings, everything. Then once you copy all my settings, just click on start to just like check it out. And if you have the same one, you have succeeded. Now you have first person mode in your Fortnite Creative map. Another thing, you could always go back and turn it off if you don't like it. You could always change that setting to your own preference, whatever you like, whatever you don't like. Just change it around, because you could always just watch my video back and just change it to my settings again. So just change all this. If you don't like it, just do whatever you want to do. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. You like and subscribe.